Hi, this is Engineer Will Lipat. I'm gonna show you what's wrong with the dishwasher. I On my previous video, I did the uh, washing the dishes. So today I'm gonna show you what's wrong with the dishwashing machine. Um, Look at here. This is our dishwasher. As you can see, the problem is the water is staying in the underneath. Let's remove that piece. As you can see, it doesn't drain water. So even though they're rinsing it, the water stays there and the dishes remains dirty. And we're gonna troubleshoot it. Maybe I can fix it and save money instead of calling a technician to fix it for me. All right, so we'll look at it, why it's not draining water. All right, so normally I know that the dishwasher has a hose that goes underneath to the back, underneath the sink. So we'll look there and see what we can find. It's underneath the sink. It's a little dark, so I'm gonna get some light. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I got a flashlight. My flashlight. Really good quality flashlight. Let's look at that sink again. Okay, now I can see the problem, not draining water. See this hose? This hose is clogged. This section right there, that's blocked all the way up there. You can see it blocked. It's clogged, so I need to either replace it with a new one or clean it out. Right, so I think I need to clean the hose. So that's what we're gonna do, clean the hose. Okay, I'm back. So we're gonna clean up that hose. First thing we need to do is to remove all the stuff here so that we can have easily access the hose. Remove the water melody Jupiter water filter. That's our filter to clean the water. So I'm gonna move it out of the way. For now, I move it there so I can have access to that hose. You can see that hose. I need to remove it because I need to clean it. I'm gonna be using a nut driver to loosen it. Okay, can you see it? It's dark, so I'm loosening it now. And then I'm gonna pull the hose out. Okay, the hose is pulled out. You can see the black stuff, the black area, it's so dark right there. It's black on that section. That means it is blocked by a debris or something. So I have to clean it. You can see it's black. If it's clear, like here, that means it's open. But if it's black right there, it's black. Color black, that means there's a blockage there that I need to clean it up. Okay, let me get a tool, a hanger or something that I can clean it. I'll be back. So I got a tool, a special tool, homemade tools. Basically it's a piece of wire hanger and a piece of cloth. We're gonna insert it to the hole so that they clean, and then as you go you rotate it. Okay, it will clean the blockage on the hose. So we have to wear gloves to do this kind of work, because you never know what kind of bacteria it's in there. So wear gloves. So after we made that special tools, you insert it into the hose opening and just rotate it, spin it out, spin, keep spinning it until you reach that blockage area and spin it and pull it, and you can see all dirt's coming out in the hose. It's some right there, so it's cleaning the hose. All right, you see the dirt that I was able to pull out. Okay, so I'm back after cleaning the hose. You can see the black stuff is gone. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back and test the dishwashing machine and see if it will drain the water. Okay, I put the hose back and now I'm tightening it. Okay, and then we'll test it later. Okay, it's tight. I moved the water filter back in place right there. Alright, so it looks good. We'll test the washing machine now. After turning on, you can hear it's draining the water. So it seems to be working. We'll see in a minute if the water are empty. Okay, I finished the rinse cycle on the machine, and then we can check how it went. Okay, as you can see, the water is gone. There's no more water. It's clean. So now we can use the dishwasher again. Alright, we did a good job. We cleaned it, so it should be good to go. I hope you learned something on this video, and hopefully you can use it in your kitchen. I'm glad that I was able to fix the dishwasher. Okay, something it's not easy, but it has to be done. Okay, so I hope you like it and you enjoy my video. Please continue to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Engineer Roel C. Lipat. Thank you, and may God bless you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell for the future videos. All right, have a good day and may God bless you. Thank you. Bye.